Hi everyone. Today we will learn probability part 3. Okay. So in last two parts we have learned about die or dice and coins. Okay. Now we will study about playing cards. So my dear students, please remember always total number of outcomes will be 52 in playing cards. 52 cards are divided into 4 suits of 13 card each. So that is 52 is divided like this 13, 13, 13, 13. Here 13 cards will be spades, 13 will be clubs, 13 will be hearts, 13 will be diamonds. So we will see, my dear students, how the spades will be there. So spades cards will be like this, okay, and clubs will be like this. Similarly, heart will be like this, and similarly diamond will be like this. Okay, my dear students, so this type of cards will be 13. Okay, this type of cards will be 13, that I will show you first. Club, spades. Okay, spades means like this will be there. See here, 2 number, 3 number, 4 number, 5 number, 6 number, 7 number, 8 number, 9 number, 10 number, and J. J means jack. Okay. Q means queen. K means king. A means ace. We will call this as a ekka. Okay. This is the biggest card in the spades and the smallest card is 2. Like this for clubs also same cards will be there. See here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and next J, jack will be there. Similarly K will be there, Q will be there, A will be there. Okay. Similarly for hearts also same things. Here 2 number, 3 number, 4 number, 5 number, 6 number, 7 number, 8 number, 9 number, 10 number, J, jack, Q, queen, K, king, A for ace. Similarly for diamonds also like this here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, J for jack, Q for queen, A for king, and A for ace. Okay, so smallest card is 2 in all the suits, and A is the biggest. Okay, so that I have written here. Spades will be 13 cards, so like this cards will be 13, like this cards will be this symbol. See here, this symbol card will be 13, that I have written here. See here, spades number of cards are 13, color is black here, and symbol is like this. Here symbol is like this. So 13 cards are there. We will check. Okay, one spade we will check. So for all 13 cards, one card, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Like that 13, 13 in each suit it will be there. Similarly clubs, here how many cards are there? In clubs here 13 cards are there. So it is also in black color. See here, black color, symbol is like this, flower. Okay. Similarly we will go for the heart also. Similarly we will go for the heart also, this type. So hearts is 13 number of cards and red, and the symbol is like this. Okay. Similarly we will go for the diamonds also. Diamonds symbol is like this. Here I have written symbol, red color, 30 number of cards, diamonds, total 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13 is 52 cards. Total black cards are here 13 plus 13, 26, and here red cards are 26, black cards are 26, black are 26, red are 26. Okay, so I hope you understood this one, my dear students. So next we will go for next page. So that is face cards. I have written here. See here, face cards. What is this face cards? King, queens, and jacks. Why we call this as a 4? Why we call this as a face cards? I will tell you, my dear students. See here, king is having face here. You are having face here. Similarly, see here, queen is also having face. Similarly, J here, see, you are having the face. So these 3 cards are nothing but what? In each suit, like this 3 cards will be there. See here, face, 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 you are having. So all 3 faces are you are having. So we are calling these 3 cards are what? Face cards. So totally 4 suits are there. So 3 into 4 is 12 face cards will be there. So in each card, in each suit, are ace, king, queen, jack 4, and these numbers are there 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 as I shown before. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. Please remember all total number of outcomes will be here totally 52 cards, and red cards are 26, black cards are 26. Now one example here, my dear students, here one card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. So totally 52 cards will be there. Calculate the probability that the card will be an ace and not be an ace. Ace means like this here. Ace means this card. I will show you which card that is. So this card, okay, ace cards. So how many are there? From each suit like this one card will be there. Okay, so we will see here. So my dear students, this is also A, and one more, this is also A, and one more I will tell you, this is also A. One card, two card, three card, four card. So four will be there. So we have to find the probability of the card will be an ace. Not be an ace means totally 4 ace are there, means not be means out of 52 48 will be there. So probability we need to find. Well shuffling ensures equally likely outcomes. Well shuffling inverse means, well shuffling means what? Equally likely outcomes. So all are equal. Okay, it may come ace, king, queen, 2, 3, 4, any card it may come. Okay, we know that probability is equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. So number of favorable outcomes are 4 because 4 aces are there, like that I have shown now. 1 ace, 2 ace, 3 ace and 4 ace. Okay, so probability of an ace is 4 by 52, that is nothing but 1 by 3. Okay, if you cancel. Similarly, not be an ace. So totally 52 are there, 4 ace are there means not are 48. So number of favorable outcomes, how many are there? Not be an ace, 48 are there. So 48 divided by 52, because number of favorable outcomes will be 48 here divided by total number of outcomes 52. That if you solve this one, if you simplify, you will get 12 by 13. I hope you have understood. So next we will go here. So or, that is 48 by 52 or 12 by 13 we got. So in another method, P of E complement is equal to 1 minus P of E. In first part we have learned this one. I told to remember this one. This is happened event, this is not happening. So it is an probability of ace means it is a probability of not an ace. Okay, not an ace means probability of E is 4 by 52, but not be an ace means 1 minus 4 by 52 I can write. So that is 52 minus 4 by 52, that is 48 by 52 or 12 by 13. You can solve in this method or previous method. Okay, now we will go for last deal, that is balls. Okay, so example I have written here, a box contains 3 blue balls and 2 white and 4 red marbles. Okay, so you can take instead of marbles balls. Okay, if a marble is drawn at random from the box, what is the probability that it will be white, blue and red? So how many are there? 3 blue, 2 white and 4 red marbles are there in a bag. Okay, in a bag how many are there? 3 blue balls are there, 2 white ball are there, 4 red ball are there. So totally 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 3 9 are there. So total number of outcomes will be here 9, that is number of possible outcomes will be 3 plus 2 plus 4, that is 9. We know that probability is equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Okay, so we will check what is the answer. Okay, so white marbles are how many? 2 are there. So probability of white ball is equal to 2 by 9 because total number of outcomes in a bag is 2, 3 and 4. So totally 7 are there. So I have 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9 are there. So total number of outcome will be 9. So these white balls are denoted by W here, and here it is probability of white marbles are 2 by 9. Marbles are balls you can take here you have taken marbles. Okay, so now blue marbles are 3, so probability of blue marbles is 3 by 9, or if you simplify you will get 3 by 9, 1 by 3. Similarly, probability of red ball, that is favorable outcomes for red marbles are 4 and it is denoted by R. Okay, red is denoted by R, so probability of red is equal to 4 by 9. So here probability of blue, that is blue is denoted by B. So similarly you got probability of red is equal to 4 by 9. Okay, so note, you have to remember, I told in each event, in an experiment, each event sum of the probability will be 1. So probability of white marble, probability of blue marble, probability of red marble is equal to 1. How did you get? First one is 2 by 9, next one is 3 by 9 plus 4 by 9. What is the LCM here? 9. So since 9 is present in denominator all 3, so 2 plus 3 plus 4 you can write, that is 9 by 9, nothing but 1. So that I have told here, so that you can verify here also. So one more homework you take, my dear students. A bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that the ball drawn is red or not red? So event happening and event not happening. So you can use this formula also here, or directly you can do this formula. You can use P of not B and red is equal to 1 minus P of E, that is it is red ball. Okay, so what is the total number of outcomes here? So since 3 red balls and 5 black balls, so totally 8 total number of outcome will be there. So in denominator 8 will be there. So you can solve this problem, my dear students. So if you understood this one, very fine. If you didn't understand, you can comment me and ask me. And if you like this video, please share it, like it, subscribe it. Okay, thank you, my dear students.